Checkon tribal colony da eviction Touba Houkhre. Mafam aduki miyam na ating bapirak padagi police na tear gas ka pada miyoy taruklom sokre. Thokdok asiga mari lenyana Imphal East ki DC Kumantem Dainana Paumi singda fongdok hibada. Chahi amagi mamangdagi houzik laideba government ki residential quarters sing asi matamga chana dre anauba housing complex ama samgat nabagi damak PWD ki order amana quarters sing asi thadok na bahaina English sing ani tara mapalda haikrabani. Mafam asida lairiba sing asi retired oiraba kaya amasu yauri. Government ki chakwa thaurangi thabakni khudingma government employee ngaktani maram aduna order ki matung inna quarter asida lairiba miyoi singna mafam asibu thadok pinaba fungdokhi.
On March 2021, the Works Department की order में थोक बनी असीगी लेगिबा न्यू चेकन लेगिबा कोई government residential quarter लेगिबा 187 number of government employees in this various categories that type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 वही हम तो वही तो तमचाना पीर बनेगा quarter से vacant हो गया है ना because the लाखोरी से same residential housing मियाम सुबीरा पर इसलिए इसलिए आम तो कोई रबा दिलापेलेटे कर बस structure आते नहीं बस असीगे government के अनुबा scheme है बल्कि program project अनुबा housing complex अनुब लाता दबने असीगे मरी ने नबे department ना isolation ही कोई ओए नदी quarter से vacant तो बियो है तो वो है तो कोई तो नहीं है को vacant तो बियो है तो शुरू के मालूम है कि माने तो फिर order नहीं होते March तक already चाहिए अमा cancel है then PWD building division is yamna not hajina notice quarter vacant of you have already when notice now occupancy instead of like company asita 187 banu the 83 with the quarter chatle hai but already quarter check ko sida kona biri se quarter se vacant to bola hai na already alternate to the already ama arrangement ama to you adu arrangement di yam is complete in the story to be in a sorry probably but some issue commercial not the lobby at the moment they also to remind about those in the side that's from 104 amadi court is the pay out there which is the retirement check ki baat lekin to bando quarter mein am I don't to ki baat she already 104 se why na baat aisa nahi kari why na government employee aate nahi then HRA house rent allowance why na hum quarter se vacant to birega ki house rent allowance hum do mein claim to gari adu na even government ki house is unaffected by the sorry even in a the infrastructure
Thokdok asigi matangda athan makang kauba miyoi amana government ki order oidabasu atopa upai amata sinbidana mafam ase thado u haina eviction tawrabadi mafam asida lairiba sing refusee oiba taribara haina hangladuna tampakta lairiba chingmi singbu tanthoklaga Manipur sarkarna go to hills haina lauriba asi karamba makhalgi go to hills no chingdasu lakpiraganu haina phongdokhi Mahakna makha taraduna go to hills hairaga chingda paisa thadaba khak natana tamda lairiba chingmi singi welfare asi yangsin biba khaktana chingmi singna Manipur sarkar na paikhatliba go to hills mission asi thajagani haina haiki
CM sir na so yo pausi CM sir ki to yo biradi go to hills haraga chingi ichile nausing tampak sida lairiba sing budi asmana tanthok ga leire karigi go to hills no ekoti gyan ta dre pamdre chingna su lapi ga no go to hills haraga chingna khatta chalaga no ga paisa thada budu nate tamna lairiba tampak sida lairiba ichini na loina maki welfare si phasana yengsin biyo adu tawra kanda ko loina mak go to hills si thajagani CM sir bu sai ko na adu the respect si lakani ha bisu thamjani ngani si